Good morning everyone. Today we learn the singular and plural. Okay? See, what is the meaning of singular and plural? The naming words of one person or one place or one living thing. So one place or one animal is called a singular. The naming words of one place, one person, one things, one animal. Okay, this is called a singular. The naming words for one or more, one or more names used, that is a plural. Okay, naming words for one is called a singular. Naming words two or more, one or more, that is a plural. Okay, how we make the plural? See, commonly we add some words, we add only yes. We add yes, we get a plural. Okay, see, chair, we add yes, so we get a plural chairs. Okay, desk, we add yes, we get a plural word desks. Clear? Dog, dogs, cat, cats, board, boards. Clear? Table, tables. Clear? But some words are, the ending word is es. The ending word is es. It is we add es where it is the ending word is coming yes or a double s, sh, ch, o, x. The ending words are yes, double s, sh, ch, o, x. The words, the ending sounds are, the ending letters are s, double s, sh, ch, o, x. Here we use es, we add es. Now that time we get a plural. Okay, for example, see the example, glass. Okay, the first one is glass. The ending words are, in the ending letter are double s. Okay, this is a singular. This is a singular. We get a when we get the how we make the plural, we add es. The ending we add es, so we get a plural. See, glasses. Now it is become a plural. The glass is a singular. We add es, so it get a plural, glasses. And see, bush, the ending letter is sh. We add es, so we get a bushes. Okay, that is a plural. Bush is a singular. We add es, so it get a bushes, that is plural. Potato, the ending letter is o. We add es, we get a plural. Dekho, potato is a singular and potatoes is a plural. Okay, these are so the ending letters are s, double s, sh, ch, o, x. Here we add es. The letter, two letters we add es. Now then we get a plural. Okay, see the example, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, potato, potatoes. Okay, and here it is, see that one, the ending word, the ending letter are y. The words ending letter are y. That time we add ies. See, ies. Okay, the ending letter is y. We add ies. That time we get a plural. Okay, see the example, baby. The ending letter is y. Okay, the ending letter is y. We remove first, we remove y. If y remove करना है, then we add what? ies. Okay, we add ies. So we get a baby, babies. Not write a babies this way. babies. This is wrong. We remove this one. Which one? Y. Okay, we remove this one Y and we get a, so we get what? IES. See, babies, BIES. We get a plural babies. Okay, we remove the Y, we remove this Y and add IES. Okay, so we get a lady, ladies. Okay, ladies, baby, babies, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, potato, potatoes, chair, chairs, tree, trees. Okay, these are our what? These are our plural. See the next one. The ending letter is F or FE. The ending letter is F or FE. Then add what? We add VES. Okay? We add VES. The ending letter is what? Ending letter is F or FE. Clear? The ending letter is F or FE. That time we remove this one, this F and FE. We remove this one and add VES. Clear? Okay, I given the example scarf. See, scarf. We remove this one F and add scarves. We add VES. Okay, now we get a plural form. Scarf, scarves. Okay, and the next one is wife. Wife. What we do it? We remove this FE and add VES. Wives. Okay, these are the rules of a singular. How we make the singular into a plural. Okay, the first one is we add yes. Okay, we add yes. Then in the ending word, the common word, we add yes. Tree. Example, tree. Trees. Okay, we add yes. Cat. Cats. Chair. Chairs. Okay. The next one is the ending letter double S. The ending letter double S. What we do it? We add ES. Example, glass. Glasses. Grass. Okay. These are the next one. Bush. The ending letter is SH. We add ES. Bushes. Okay. Next one. Next one is the last word is white. No. Yes. Why? Here it is. The last word is the last letter is Y. We remove this one and write I add IES. Ladies. Okay? We add ladies. Baby. BABY. We remove this one Y and add IES. Okay? This way we make a singular into plural. Okay? Singular हम लोग plural बना सकते हैं. Some words are there, they are not changed. They are not changed in singular, plural. The same words we use. The example is dear. Okay, dear. Dear is the same word of singular is dear and plural also dear. Okay, the same word. And here it is sheep. she. Singular, plural, same. Okay. And some are there, they always use a plural. They always, that words you always use a plural. For example, scissor, scissors. Okay. Then next one is aircraft. This one or this the same. Here is aircraft is used as aircraft. Okay. And sunglasses. Sunglasses. These are the same one. Okay. And see. Some words are common changes are there. Then here common words how it changes. देखो man. The plural is man is a singular, but the entirely different plural. How to make a plural? Man. Woman. Woman. Okay. And some goose. Geese. Foot. Feet. Plural is feet. Then child. See, child. The plural is children. Okay, these are the words entirely different. Clear? Some words are used in a always use a plural words, that is glasses, sunglasses, jeans. Okay, these are the common words used. The common words used in a plural, singular, plural, same words use it. And a deer, shape, these are the words used the same. Okay, these are the words we use in the entirely different words. Okay. Oh. Okay.